What we do is we are designing, building, and operating a social game. And our business model is making sure that the games are exciting and fun to play, so players actually want to pay money to use it. So the challenges and concerns that we are facing today or in the past we're still facing is we're a global business working 24/7 with millions of concurrent players playing around the clock in our systems. It means that our system needs to be always available. The system always needs to be stable, perform well, and this is just on the production and infrastructure side. We also, as IT, need to provide infrastructure and services also to our large development and R&D organization, which needs to continuously release and develop code to production. And so this is something that when I started about 3.5 years ago, we chose ServiceNow to help us mitigate these challenges. The services we are using from ServiceNow, when we started 3 years ago, we started with the classic ITSM models, the incident, the change, the service requests, service catalogs, and all the rest of the classic one. Later on, we moved to customer support model, and today this is our largest model that we are implementing, mainly for supporting our business units. The main reason for choosing ServiceNow is we found it to be the best cloud solution that allows a lot of flexibilities and gives us abilities to do almost everything we want without limitation. Coming from many years in ITs, the ITSM is, of course, the bread and butter. It's something that we do to operate on an ongoing basis, but the highlight itself is actually the customer support implementation that we are doing. This is the way we're actually supporting and giving more value to our business units. So I would say that this one. We are talking about tangible results. There are a few things. One, if we are looking at our ability to serve our large community of developers inside the company, we are able to shorten the time they are able to release and deploy code to production by using processes in ServiceNow. So this is like one big highlight that managed to save a lot of time and effort and development cycles. And the other one, I would definitely say the customer support. It's something that we're able to automate many of the actions that the customer support representative had to do before manually. So I would say this one. ServiceNow changed the way people work at Playtika because we are thinking more about how we organize things and automate it. We are trying to think about processes and using ServiceNow to put it to work.